going to look to set up an arm drag from our 2-on-1 grip from butterfly in order to attack an arm in guillotine. So from here, he's going to look to reach my collar, and as he does, I intercept with a pistol grip above his wrist. I pass his hand underneath mine, so my wrist is on top, and my opposite hand grabs the seam underneath his shoulder. From here, the leg that's opposite the arm that I'm controlling, my toes go onto the inside of his knee. I'm going to pull his arm across as I kick his leg out. Really important. I don't want to push his leg straight. He's too strong there. I want to exploit the weak muscles in his hip by opening his hip as I drag. So we come here. I let go of the sleeve, wrap the neck. I let go of the seam, I go underneath his shoulder to connect my guillotine grip. The leg that's on the same side of the arm that's wrapping the neck, my shin's go across the line of his belt, and my foot's going to hook strong onto his hip. My goal is to pin his forehead to the mat. My free leg steps across his center line to dig into the far hip to prevent him from forward rolling. I make sure my shoulder's nice and high to cover his hair, and then I bring my hands and my knees together to my chest for the tap. And that's your move of the week.